Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be working with Mykah Shepherd, and we're gonna be doing something. We're gonna be using the same chord to create a beat. So let's see who makes a better version using the chord. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. So quickly, I'm just gonna be dragging in the MIDI, and let's see the vibe that I'm gonna come up with. Quickly, I'm just gonna drag in the MIDI chord, but before then, I'm just gonna replace and bring in a Lounge Lizard so that I can just quickly drag in the chord progression. So the chord progression, this is basically it. Let me just put it here so you guys see it, and it's on the key of F minor, and so this is what the chords sound like. Let me just increase the velocity so we hear it really well. But there's no harm experimenting. So quickly, I'm just gonna see what I can actually come up with. Yep, so I think some of the notes are clustered, so I'm just gonna play around with the chord progression and make it still kind of the same chord progression, but I'm just gonna make it something that I will be able to vibe on. So quickly, let me just play around with the notes, and we go from there, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna take out these notes for a start, and I'm gonna take out these notes. So basically, they are actually like the same thing, and I think so. Yeah, this is kind of more. Let me just add on that note up. So I think I like this. I like this, the way this is sounding. So let's see this. I think I have a let me take this, bring this down. I think I'll go with something like this. Yeah, something like this, and since it's the same chord, I'm just gonna replace everything from here. So I've just played around with the chord to make it something that I'll be able to flow on. Yeah, so I have this. Nice. So I think from here I could just start bringing in my drums to just fit in the whole vibe. And there's this drum groove, or this pack VDD.
We'll be using 113 as our tempo. Let me actually look for a loop. I like this one.
I'm just gonna pick one of the loops here and let's see. I think I like this. So yeah, just have that vibe there. Hey. Yeah, send it to my mixer.
Right now, let's look for a kick that we're gonna use. I'm looking for a strong kick that we don't normally use for my piano. We can also use this loop, but we need to play around with it. So we can use it like this. Just need to be creative with it.
I'm just gonna take out some of the lows here. Just more of the percussions. Then I'm gonna create my own percussion. So create a new pattern, and let's call this. Just look for some nice one shots. So let's see the snare. Put that down. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so that is. Let's have that down. I think this is on loop, okay? Hey, you have a vibe. Let me bring this down a little bit. And I think I can bring in my kick.
So we're going to add a transient processor just to remove the shakers that are inside that loop that we just inserted. let's add this shaker. So it basically repeats this side, or am I wrong? Yeah, actually repeats, so you can do this. Let's actually change the key.
I'm not gonna go with the steady kick. Let's go this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so I think like this, something like this is vibe. Yeah, so I think I can add more percussions. Let me see Maestro Pack, some drums, some one shot. Yep, so let me just save this. Then I think I can bring in my tremolo. So for my tremolo, I'm gonna be using Purity. So let me bring in Purity. Where's Purity? Yeah, so on the key of E flat. Let me just quickly change that. E flat. So let's select some nice Purity. Slow synth and our tremolo signal.
Then let's also change the preset of the chords. As you can hear, this one is much softer. Let's try out this FX. Let's duplicate this section. From here, we're going to do something to the chords. Going to add, where is that plugin? Sidechain. Nice.
This. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so I think I can add some vocals. There's this, vocal I was working with, and I think it's just gonna fit. It's just gonna fit in well. So let's see by this one. Yeah, so I think I can add a bass. So for my bass, I'm gonna be using let's go to our bass. So for my bass, I'm gonna be using this bass here. So I think I'm playing let's go from the let me see whether
are going to add melodies. Okay, let me use the flute. Let's add the famous Sona preset from Purity, the one that you guys love a lot. Let me add this. Actually, let me add this one. Some ambience.
Why aren't you working? So yeah. Yeah, so we have this for our bass. Yeah, so then we can now bring in the verse. So, yeah, so for the verse, I think I'll just have something like this.
I found a melody. Nice. That's a nice melody. Before the bass line comes in, we need a string section. Let's clone this plugin. By the way, if you don't know this plugin, it has really nice sounds.
I'm sure you're feeling the vibe.
Let's listen to the arrangement, and then that's about it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and peace.
Nice. So let's just listen from the top again, guys. So we have this, man. We have this solid vibe. Yeah, but if I'm to spend more time, I can still spend more time, playing around with the log drums. But I think this is fire, man. This is fire. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so let me know who you guys think did a better version. I've not yet listened to his own while recording this video, but let me know. I'm gonna drop a poll so you guys could actually vote the best version. Thank you guys, and if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you always get notified when next I post. Thank you, Mykah Shepherd. I really love your content. Can't wait to do more amazing videos with you. Peace, guys.